Hi everybody, welcome back to Adonia Academy. In this video, let's talk about food colors. Yes, I know it's a very controversial subject, and that's not the best thing to have inside your mouth. But in cake decorating and when you're making fancy stuff, sometimes it's unavoidable. So let's talk about gel colors, which are the most widely used. Do not use liquid colors because they hamper with the consistency of your cake batter or your cake frosting. So these are the gel colors. They are available in various brands and in various sizes, big sizes, small sizes. So get a brand which is approved by your local food authority, and so these are some of the brands which I use, and like I said, they're available in so many colors. This is the big pack, and this brand is made in India, and if you see, it's 500 rupees for a big pack, and if you see the ingredients, they're vegetarian, so vegan actually. So vegetable glycerine, cornstarch, water, and a whole lot of preservatives and color derivatives. Like I said, it's not the best thing to have on your plate, but sometimes it's unavoidable. So let's see how to use this. Because these are concentrated liquid colors, these gel colors just need a drop, and I'm using some whipped cream to color some whipped cream. And when you see just I think one big drop, and you see such a beautiful color. And like I said, because these are gel colors, they don't hamper the consistency of your cream. If you see, it's nice and stiff, still pipeable, still frostable. So gel colors, highly recommended to use for all your frostings and batters. Now let's move on to paste colors. These are super concentrated colors, and this is a brand which is widely available in India. It's from the UK, and if you see, it's like a paste. It's just highly concentrated. I don't like this too much. Yes, I know I have a big collection, but I'm not too fond of it. Not the brand, but the consistency of the paste colors. If you see, the ingredients are exactly the same as the gel colors, but see, this is why I'm not a fan of this, because it's not very user friendly. You need a toothpick or a stick, and you have to kind of struggle a little bit to use it. But the advantages of this paste color is that it's very concentrated and pigmented, and you get a beautiful color. Now this is a light pastel color, so let me show you something darker. I'm using buttercream frosting for this. So if you see, I'm using a darker color, and you will see just with a little bit of color, you get such a beautiful pigment. So that's the advantage of gel colors. Now let's see chocolate colors. Now to color chocolate, you need special oil-based colors or powder colors. You cannot use gel colors because they are liquid. So they have water in it, and water and chocolate are not the best of friends. So chocolate colors, you can either use liquid or you can use powder colors. Now let's see what happens to chocolate if I use a little bit of gel colors which have water. Can you see how it seized the chocolate? So please avoid using gel colors for chocolates. Now let's see what are airbrush colors. Now, as you know, airbrush is a apparatus which is used on cake decorating and a lot of painting and furniture. Now, there are special colors made for airbrushing, and this is how they look. They are again gel colors, but slightly more liquidy, and they are available in a lot of gold sheen, pearl sheen, silver sheen, and things like that, to give a beautiful effect to your cake. So if you have an airbrush, this is what you should use. Now let's see what are powder colors and dusts. Powder colors like so, but you have to be very careful to buy unbranded powder colors, because most of them are not edible. So buy good brands like Sugar Flare and known brands. Now in powder colors, let's talk about this Magic Colors Super Whip. They're specially made for whipping cream. I know a lot of us struggle to get dark colors on whipping cream, so I particularly like this Super Whip, which is made for whipping cream, and if you see, just a little bit gives you a beautiful shade of red. So if you want to get dark colors on whipping cream like red and dark blue, so it's highly recommended and doesn't change the taste of the whipping cream as well. Now another highly controversial edible subject is metallic colors. Now you have to be very careful when you're using metallic colors. Some are non-toxic, but they are not edible. So do not use them directly on your cakes. Some you have to see the package to make sure that it's edible. Now all these brands which I'm showing you, Magic Colors, Roll Chem, they all are edible, says edible on the packet. So make sure if you're using them on real cakes or chocolates, they're completely edible. Now these glitter dusts are trending. Most of them are not edible. Now this brand by Magic Colors called Bling Bling, this product is a edible glitter dust which I found, which is beautiful. Now let's see how to use metallic colors on fondant. I've just rolled out a piece of fondant and dry dusted the metallic gold. I'm using Sultan Gold from Magic Colors. Now you can either dye dust them or use vodka or this Evaporex. If you want to buy it, I put a link in the description box, and you can paint on your cakes as well. So both give very different feels. Now I'm using a little bit of this edible glitter dust to show you how to just, if you want like a little sparkle on your cakes. I think it's just beautiful, isn't it? Now I'll show you how to use gel colors and fondant. Just put a little drop and knead the fondant to it. Wear gloves if you're, skeptical of getting your hands stained. And there you go. You have this beautiful colored fondant from scratch. Now you also get edible metallic dust in a pump. This is by Sugar Flare. It's very nice if you just want to give like a shower of glitter onto your cakes. So I really hope you liked this video and it was informative. If you did, please share it with your baker friends. Subscribe to my channel. It's free. Until next time, bye bye.